A message is showing here, your listing is pending, please proceed to make it publish. Your listing is pending, please proceed to make it publish. To publish your link, that is business profile, you have to go through pay and publish button. Can you see this in the right lower corner? Pay. You have to click on this. Once you click on this, the payment checkout page will appear. Here three steps are there: select payment, review payment, and done. So to proceed, you have to select this radio button just left side of Razor Pay. Click here. This is highlighted, so you have to proceed. So proceed to next. Terms and condition is there. Click on this terms and condition. If you have coupon code, sometimes you may get coupon codes. So to redeem coupon codes, you just enable this coupon code slider and then type the coupon code and then apply. I don't have any coupon, so I'm not going to avail this. So this should be disabled. So after the terms and condition is there, you have to select this terms and condition and proceed next. So this is the payment page. Here you can use this different options for that is completing the payment. You can go for UPI, QR, card, net banking, wallet. Lot of options are there. Now I want to show you that even before making the payment, your mail will be sent to you. So here you see SearchGuru username. I received a mail from searchguru.com from info@searchguru.com. Hi there, welcome to searchguru.com. You can log in now using the below credential. Username and password is given. See that ABC Enterprise, the business listing has been submitted. Similarly, you will receive a mail after completing the payments. So here you will complete the payment and then you will get the confirmation, and after this you will receive email, and by the time searchguru.com will call you to verify your business, and then it will be verified. Once it is verified, it will be published, and you can use this user ID and password that is given to you through mail to access your dashboard. Okay, thank you.